The boy who pulled the fire alarm at school. Time for me to wake up and go to work. Hey, babe. Hey, babe. I'm gonna go to work now. Okay.
You sure you want to be here? You're gonna miss the big show. Don't you want to be here for your brother's execution?
It's finally time to wake up. I'm gonna make some kids' breakfast.
You're never getting anxious now, as long as I live. I can't wait to make you eat those birds.
We better go. Lucy.
Yeah.
I get the feeling you know each other. Is that right?
Yeah, kind of. Can't let him win that prize. What? Got any more?
There. Now, I'm gonna put it in the pan.
Not mine, Daddy. Lucy. I'm so sorry about that man. Tell me which one you'd like to have, Lucy.
You mean you're gonna pay for it?
Oh, hello, Rebecca. Friend of yours? Thanks for your business.
I'll put it with the kids now.
Enjoy it. I can afford to buy you more.
Kidding? Thanks for treating me to lunch, Rebecca.
These are the living
Oh,
quarters.
Sissy's clothes is left up here. I should put it into her room. I washed it last night. Sissy, wake up. I also put your dress up here. Come on.
They all look the same.
I saw that last battle.
I need to get packed, Mom. Okay. I'm gonna wake up your little brother. Alright, I got packed. No, I should get it. I should do makeup. Oh, I forgot Jake is not in this room. Sorry guys, I've been building this whole entire house because I've been resetting my Tokaboka. Alright Jake, it's time to wake up. Okay, Mom.
Go on, do your worst. Alright.
Jamie, man, I'm gonna hurt
Yes, but I just tried to kill you.
you. You tried to attack.
Your breakfast. Okay.
I don't think so.
You too, Sissy. And I.
That means she was never a threat to him in the first place. Don't you?
What a shame. This would have been a good chance back to predators with devil fruit pies.
Mummies.
Oh, come on! We're prisoners, forced to fight as glad.
Alright guys, let's go. Okay.
They throw us out. They're waiting for the crowd to return to the day we finally want them dead. All because we got on the Don Quixote family's bad side.
Battles. But no matter how strong you are, no one can win that many fights to the death in a row.
Alright, Jake, Sissy, bye. Have a great day at school. Bye, Mom. Bye.
There's no
Let's go.
hope for us.
Okay.
10 years ago, before Doflamingo became king around here, we had gladiator matches, but never to the death. For all the light there is in this kingdom of his, there's just as much darkness.
I swear. No matter what it takes, I will win this competition today. And with the power of the flame fruit,
Alright, guys, we're gonna be doing about reading. Hey, Miss. You don't say me, Miss. You say,
the toy soldier told me he's planning on leading his army
Miss
to
Lake.
Santo Flamingo
What do you
today.
want? Can I use the bathroom? Yes, but be quick. Okay.
Going to let us all out. I believe that he can save this kingdom. But he wants to sacrifice his life to do it.
It's all right. This brave soldier will always be at your side.
Alright.
Then I will settle this before he has the chance.
Okay. Alright, I better get she go now.
I'll protect you.
Great, she's gone. Now it's time to pull the fire alarm. Okay. Oh no, first the fire alarm. Let's go, guys. now let me go into the bathrooms. Oh no, first the fire alarm. Sir, I'm here. Okay, everybody, let's go. What is going on? Whoa, there's a fire alarm. I can't believe this. All right, let's go outside. Guys, stay next to me. Okay. Let's walk.
I don't understand why it's against the law for them to leave with us.
Everybody line up.
Are you eating food off the ground?
Wrestling earlier took lunches from on the floor. See? Harder money already. What another waste. Besides, they still taste good.
Hello? Hi. I just want to see if there's any smoke and any fires. Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah, of course. Everybody stay in. Line up.
I'll be seeing you at the finals.
Yeah. Look out there.
The tournament's resuming. All Block D contestants to the ring.
Mark my words, that play is as good as done. You're all talk.
Is it gonna be okay, Mr. Lake? Yes, it's going to be okay. I'm just gonna study here. Yes, everything's going to be okay. Let me just check up there. The fire drill is complete. Now I hear on the radio. The fire drill is made complete. You may enter the building. Yay! Let's go inside. Now, of course, that wasn't me. Of course, it wasn't. It's been going to the bathroom and checking the hallway. Wait, let's go. Alright, let's go. Alright, class, we're gonna be doing about ratings. At the end of the day. Alright, class, the class is dismissed. You may go now. Yay!